is right hander. You come here at the corner, you click once. What you will appear in front of you is a panel with symbols, and these symbols are classified in indexes, cryptocurrency, currency, and what do we call futures. They will be classified here. So it's upon you now to restructure the assets and you put what you want. So for me, I had this you have like a watch list. Let me uh what do we call is a list. So I have how many lists? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if they pass from 5, the rest I'll have to pay for them. But with the free mode, you can get about 5 lists, which you can you can put down and maybe categorize what you like to trade, what you want. So we have DXY, which means I have uh dollar pairs. So we have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, and we have USD CHF, like that. These are the dollar pairs, and I'm a Kenyan, so I just include some few companies because I trade Kenya stock market through Nairobi Stock Exchange. So I have Safaricom, KCB Bank, we have KPLC, Total Energies, Umeme, Crown Paint, we have Kengen, things like that. So this is how I classify. So this is DXY, and then we have another list. So at this part is where you click if you have a list. So some people would add some assets. Let me call asset, or even currencies, or even other pairs. So they add, but they when they come to the first page, it isn't there. So you have to come here, this part. This is where you come. It has a little arrow, you drop it, and then you see whether you have a list, some few lists. So let me do like this. I have red list. So a lot of people, they are supposed to go and look for this list. You can add some until you reach time maximum, which from there, now if I create another list, I will be directed to somewhere to pay. So but now I am using the free mode in TradingView. So this is the part. I have pounds. These are the GBP pairs, and at the list at the bottom I add my own companies, Kenyan companies. So this is how I operate this TradingView. So then there's something else. So when you let me look use DXY, and I have a watch list, Wall Street. So these are the Wall Street. This is where I put my indexes: NAS 100, S&P 500, something like that. So you come here, we will look for something like Euro USD, and you can see I have a lot of Euro USD because these are different. They are data from different brokers. So some are from IC Market, which is my best broker. Some are from FP Market. So you can see here, if this mouse is at Euro USD, this comes from FP Market real time. You can see there. If I jump to the this comes from Oanda real time. This comes from IC Market. This gold is from XM FX real time. We have another gold here which comes from IC Market. Yeah, so they are data from different brokers about real time data about the asset. So if I click on Euro USD, for example, like that, the next thing is this part. So on your computer you might wonder, where will you, because it is at this part, you might wonder, what will I do, where are the candles? So you have to scroll just a little bit and you click this part called full chart. This is the part that you click. You click once, then you will see candles like this. Let me remove these objects. We start from so, then for you to have a clear space and a clean space, so we have to close this part, watch list and details and news. You close that, then you are left with a print chart. But you, as a newcomer, you will have some indicators which are inbuilt in the first time. Measuring volume at this corner, this the part you will come and delete them, or you put shadow on them. You just close let me do an example here. This is the part, and this part on top of this, on top, this is where you see your currency or the currency that you are analyzing, euro USD. This part is the part we add our time frame. So to add a time frame, there's a trick that I will show you today about TradingView. Is that whatever you like, just put it a star, which removes from favorites. You add it to favorite, so that it will minimize your time just to go and look for something. So if 5 minutes is my favorite, I would just add a star which it has, and you have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, we have 1 hour, we have 4 hour, which these are my favorites. And you could see with the different people people just use different currency, and you put them into favorite. And if you move from favorite, it will not appear here. So that's how if something pleases you, just add it to favorite. The next part is the I like candles. How do you want your data to be displayed? So there's candle and there is line chart. So you just put them favorite, so that they can appear the first time you enter into your screen. So the next thing is the indicators and metric and strategies. This is where even you buy those indicators template. So if I add them, they'll come to this part. Then we have alert. If you want to create alert, if the market reaches to a particular level, it will just have some sort of an alarm, things like that. And this part is where you can cut this candle from this point to this. You can cut candles from this point to this, and then after cutting those candles, you can replay them based on your strategy. So this part is for that work. And named and at this part, you could see you can add to full screen mode. Another thing, you can record. If you have a channel like this, if you have just to record whatever you are doing in terms of analyzing, you can analyze here, and then you post it to your YouTube channel, and people could see what you are doing. The next thing is the tools. So these are the drawing tools, trend tools. Note that. So we have trend line, which is mostly used. We have lay, and you could see I have put them into whatever I use. I just put a favorite star, so that it would appear in a toolbar. So it would be very simple for me to maneuver anywhere I want. So these are the things that I use. Pitchforks, we have parallel channels, we have vertical line, I can remove this one. I rarely use it, but we can leave horizontally, support and resistance, which is considered to as horizontal line. We have lays, and we have a trend line. Next part, you can click inside and come to this part, which is called Grand and Fibonacci tools. So here you can choose what you like most. We have Fibonacci retracement, and we trend based in extension. Trend based extension. Fib extension are used to measure profit targets mostly. And if you would prefer anything else, from here you can choose one. And note that all these tools you see, these were strategies back in the day for our old fathers and mothers who used to trade. So they are named after people. So Fibonacci is someone who was called Fibonacci. And people just introduce a lot of Fibonacci. This part we have grand box, which I have never used and I don't know how to use them, because still it's a strategy that made someone some money and memorized it. So in this industry there is a lot of strategies. They show that people think differently. People really think differently about everything. So let's go to this part, which is called patterns. Patterns, there are a lot of patterns in the market which persist, and there's XABC, a lot of patterns, and we have head and shoulder, which is commonly known. The rest, and you can see the names. Elliot Impasse Wave. This was someone called Elliot. He just mastered a particular idea, and it was called after him. All these things you see here, they are under people name who came with them. So on this part, and remember, whatever you see as pleasing you, you just put a favorite star. You can see here, you can see here, you can see this part, you can see a lot of things. Whatever pleases you, put a star. So when you come tomorrow or the day after tomorrow or whenever, you'll never struggle or to find where it is. It's just on a bar like this as favorite bar. So you can move the bar anywhere you want in the screen. So I really do use it at this part, because I don't see how I use that part. Yeah, that's how you maneuver in your trading view. And there is a lot of things, and I have said that whatever pleases you, in terms of shapes, allow, anything that you would see that you would like to use, put it a favorite, so that you will not go back to look for it again. So this how we want, this how we maneuver with the trading view. So I have my toolbar, I have my time frames which I have put into favorites, I have my data represented, which we use candles and line chart. So that's how we work. And then something else is, I think the next thing is, if you could click your name like this, I think there is part whereby you can change the mode, can be black, wait and see, dark mode. Yeah, you can see, you can change, just click your logo or your profile. Let me call a login to your Wall Street active layout and name this your profile. You can change the theme, and right clicking from your mouse, you can come and change a lot of things. When it comes to candle symbols, you can see, you can put them from green to red. Let me change, I like border to be blue, I think. Blue, blue, blue. Yeah, I can change all that, and I put okay. So you can see my chart, it has blue candle and red candles. This is what I love most. So this is how you maneuver in your trading view. So first thing, you can add a lot of things and put them the stars to be favorite, your favorite, and then they will come in a line of a toolbars which you use. This is an arrow. You can measure from here. Sorry, my mouse is not working properly. And then if you click something that you never intended to use, so it's already there, the system knows that you have clicked trend line, you can use the light button on your light side in your mouse just to unclick it or to ignore, like that. It has been ignored. And if I put that, here it has shown that I have clicked something which is on this part, which is forecasting and measurement tools. I can light click, and it ignores. So then something else is that you can use your wheel, that small wheel on your mouse, just to remove whatever you don't want. Just click that wheel, it has a button under it, and it will remove anything that you click unintendedly. So that's how we maneuver with TradingView. Very simple. So, and the best thing about TradingView is that, let's assume I click to another asset or a currency pair, like that. One thing is that at this part you will come to unlock your screen. Unlock, because it doesn't move freely if it's not unlocked. So you have to unlock this part. Just click a little or use your wheel on your mouse just a little bit, and then you can pull any part you can pull. And you see people who teach in TradingView, they just pull this those people who teach in TradingView, they just teach on these white surfaces. So they move they unlock their screen here at the side, at the scale line. Then they are able to maneuver, and you can come and teach whatever you want to teach about a strategy which you use there or write down. Something else is that you can use text just to point out. An arrow would come here. This is my, maybe I put an arrow and I light inside an arrow. This is my support. I put an arrow here. This is my resistance, something like that. So if I use any of that, I could just put a star from there, and I come here, it has been added to my toolbar, and then I'll click just once, and then it will point out. You can see how it has done. So this point, if I say if we reach to this point of 1.2068, we'll do whatever and whatever, something like that. And if I don't want, I just click the wheel on my mouse just once, like that, and it is gone. And if you don't have a mouse, this part is for you. You can expand, you can contract the chart and see a lot of things. You can expand your chart. Then with your mouse you can come here and maneuver here with your mouse on your laptop, the inbuilt mouse. So that's how we maneuver with TradingView. It's a very good app, and you can connect it with your blocker if you want. You can connect it with your blocker if you want, but I haven't done that. I really do manual execution. If you don't want manual execution, you can connect TradingView with your broker. So if you do videos in TradingView, they give you 20 minutes. You can record yourself here for your actions on TradingView for 20 minutes. Yeah. So the next time we will come here, now we will show you how to do some analysis and every tool. So I can pick this TradingView trade line, you put it there, then we use box. Simple. With them at favorite, I can do whatever I want like that. With targets, maybe it's a long position, I'm seeing some potential on a buy position, so you put here, you adjust your stop loss. This the red part is for the stop loss, the green part is for your target, things like that. And you can lock them. Just click once and come, there is a padlock here. This used to lock your idea, and when you maneuver in the screen, it can't move anywhere. You can see the way I'm doing. So the padlock is for that job. So if I see there's another box here that it can be used like a trend line and it's still a box, just expand it like that. So this is a Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, mine is transparent, but the one comes with TradingView, it has colors, so I have neutralized. And for anything that is in the trend in the TradingView, when you click it there, there's part for settings, styles, colors, a lot of things. So if I use maybe Fibonacci, I can come here to this part and I come to style. This part I have put black and a lot of colors. You can see they are at 0 background. I don't want anything background, that's why I have put it to 0, something like that. So because I need just retro lines, I don't need colors. So that's how we maneuver, and then we use the wheel to remove these parts in TradingView. You can click like that. You you use your wheel there to remove all these tools like that. Because if you want to use it manual, you just click once, then you go there and delete. So it's a lot of job, but with your mouse switch, you can just click once. You can just click trade line. If I never intended to use trade line, just use the wheel, click on that wheel. So that's how we maneuver with that's how we maneuver. If I want to remove it from favorite, I don't want it, things like that. This part, I don't know where this tool is from, but I would like to remove it. Yeah, it's just point out. Let me use it here and you will see. Remove it. Yeah, that's how you use it. Just as a marker somehow, and I rarely use it, but one I use is this box, Fibonacci, long position, short position, head and shoulder. This you can do what with this? You can project some candles. Let me show you. You can now can you see now? You can see the clear movement of a particular currency real time. You can see, just look. Yeah, so TradingView, it's so good, more maneuverable. You can maneuver, you can project a lot of things, you see, and then still on the same, you can use your trend line to. And then for another thing, this is another banger before we go on. You can, in TradingView, you can click your tool and come here the three dots or more, then you come and clone the same tool that you used. It will be cloned into double. So I just move this part and have something like that. So if I intended to trade on a channel, this is a clear channel. So you have to clone. All you do is just clone the tool. If you clone the tool, yeah, it is very simple. You don't have now to come and in something like MT5, MetaTrader 5, which we'll do our review again. You have to come and match the tool like this, just to use it somewhere else, you see. But that's a lot of work. So I come and clone it. I clone this one, clone. And then if I want to remove the wheel on my mouse, just clicking once, something like that. And even this tool, I can you just click and move on. Another thing is that you can use some kind of, there's this tool which this one. This is another tool that you can project some kind of patterns which might come, you see. So if you see it has illuminated some kind of, you can see some candles there inside of how you think the market might maybe move. That's still another tool. So TradingView is very, very helpful to a trader. It's very, very helpful due to that is maneuverable. It is simple to use. And with that video, don't know how long it is, but it has helped a lot. So that's how we use TradingView. So the next part, we look at strategies. We just look at strategies and see how we can maneuver with our strategies in TradingView. And nothing you can track. If something that has existed in the world and it is tradable, it has to reach to TradingView. So, and TradingView has a lot of data of our whatever we trade. So you can see when this Euro USD started being traded electronically, it was in 1990, and you can see all these data, and it is limited. Let's use something like 3 months. Let's use 3 months data. 3 months data. Yeah, still it is 1990. So you can see that's how we maneuver with TradingView. So make sure you go and practice whatever you have learned in this video about TradingView, and it will be helpful to you. It will be very, very helpful to you and your trading career. Thank you very much.